I want to talk about something that feels uncomfortable for a lot of entrepreneurs. And it's not, or trying not to explain everything about your business, right? Most business owners think that if they don't fully explain what they do, people won't understand. Okay, so they tend to actually over explain. They add details, they try to cover every single point and angle. But when you actually study impactful brands, you actually notice something a little different that they do. Okay. They don't rush to explain themselves. They actually trust that the right people will lean in and hear what they're actually saying. And I've seen it many times over and over again. See, the brands that feel strong and confident, they don't try to answer every possible question up front, right? They lead with one clear idea, and then they let that curiosity about that idea do the rest, right? Since I've started rebuilding Lamore Fashions, I noticed that the moments I tried to explain every detail were the moments where people actually checked out. Right? They stopped listening. They kind of had this glossy look on their face, like, "Oh, that's what you do." But when I started focusing on one clear point and just stopped there, people actually started leaning in more and wanting to hear more about what I have to offer. Alex Hormozy talks about this idea that clarity is about removing friction, right? It's not about adding information, it's about making it as simple and easy to understand and comprehend as possible. So, more words don't always create more understanding, right? Entrepreneurs often think that confidence comes from knowing, everything, right? But in reality, confidence actually just comes from showing up, right? When you choose not to just say everything, right? Impactful brands don't hide information, but they sequence it. They choose strategically what to say, when to say it. They understand that trust is built step by step, not all at once. You just don't dump it all there. You got to give little nuggets at a time, right? And this is one of the biggest mindset shifts for entrepreneurs who want to grow, right? You don't need to convince people that you're legit by telling them everything about your business. All you need to do is just guide them and show them, what you have to offer that's going to help them. Okay. That's something that I've been documenting daily here on Brand Impact 365. What I'm learning from studying brands that last and how I'm applying those lessons in real time while refining my own business and then sharing it with you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will be back in the next video, friends.